Hey YouTube, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Threads followers. This is going to be on the new Threads app. This is a product of Instagram and it's the new thing by Mark Zuckerberg. What I'm going to do is actually show you my screen recording right now and show you guys how to get free followers on the new Threads app. So as you guys can see, we have the Threads app right here and I have my Threads account. Here it is, Henry Ledoux 99. And last night I just went ahead and added 1,000 followers using this method. I want to make sure this is all working for you guys and make sure this actually is real. So as you guys can see, we just go ahead and it just followed all our accounts. So I just added 1,000 here and I'm going to show you now actually how to do this. It's completely free, doesn't cost anything, and all these accounts are real profiles and everything is all good to go. So what do we actually need to do? What I'm going to do now is show you now the settings that we need to check in Threads so we can actually do this, and also the website where we can get these followers for you and added. And this isn't some follow for follow method. This is going to be just adding the followers to your account and it doesn't take too long. So what we're going to do on the Threads app is hit on those two little dashes up in the top right hand corner, and then we're going to go to privacy. Now we need to make sure that we are not on a private account now. If you're on a private account, just turn it off for this so the accounts can actually follow you. Yeah, you cannot be actually following, you can't do this if you're a private account. Now, by default, every account is public on Threads, so if you just downloaded the app, it shouldn't be on private, but for some reason, if you have put on private, turn that off, and that's going to be able to change the settings for you guys. So once we're on there, we should be all good. Just also remember your username on Threads. So as you guys can see, it's going to say your name, and then under that, mine is Henry Ledoux 99, which is actually my username in which we will need to add these followers to. So what we can go ahead now is go and do this. So what I'm going to do is exit out of that, and we're going to go ahead and now add these followers. So what I want you guys to do is head over to Safari, and we're going to type into a website I'm going to show you right now. So you can just go to Google if you want. But for sake of this video, I'm just going to type it in just to the browser as it's a lot easier. So I'm going to go to Google. So I'm going to type into the browser. So type in this. So type in T. So T is going to be for Threads, and then type T famous. So TFAMOUS. Oh, I spelled it wrong. TFAMOUS, and then type .com. So T famous, all one word. Okay, and what that should do is load the Threads followers adder. So as you guys can see, it just says online users. So what you want to do now is just go ahead where it says username, just click on there, and then type in your Threads username. So Henry Ledoux 99. Obviously you type in your guy's name, don't type in mine. I mean, you can if you want to send me followers, but make sure you're just doing your own. Press connect. So it's going to take you to this page right here, and it's going to say the amount of followers you want. So you can just select 1,000, 2,500, 5,000. So let's just do 1,000 here for the sake of the video. What that's going to do, T-Famous is going to load and then start to send you those actual followers. So we're going to wait for this to finish. It shouldn't take too long. And yeah, we're just going to perform this thing. Just wait for this to load. So what it's actually going to do on this next page, you're going to say, hey, you need to actually make sure you do a bot check. And this is to stop bots spamming these accounts and generating like hundreds of millions of followers. You have to do this. So what you're going to do is press on that red button. And what that's going to do is actually take you to the page where you need to get these additional things in order to install the Threads, to get the Threads followers. Now, there is going to be a YouTube tutorial on that page explaining how to actually do that. So I highly recommend you guys watch that YouTube video. It's going to explain how to get that, and then that is going to add your followers to the actual bot check. So make sure you guys are doing that. But once you guys have done that and you've got the additional files in order for Threads accounts to actually be following you, what you should now be able to do is then go back in and your followers should then start to be adding. Like I said, I did this last night, and as you guys can see, all the accounts started following me. And yeah, this is all real, and I'm not even following anyone right now. And this is all within, like 2 hours of this actually working. So this is a super easy method, guys. If you guys do need any help with this, drop a comment below. But this is basically how you get free Threads followers within, a couple minutes. And you can get up to 5,000 followers every time you do this. Just make sure you are watching that YouTube video and downloading the additional files in order to actually add those Threads followers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.